far painted the panels to this wonderful blue color, sky blue, I guess, not so sure. Ladies can tell me that. Anyway, did my graphics on the panel, or I laid tape. After laying tape, I did my sketches, the different graphics, as you can see there and there on the different panels of the bike. Then now I've cut it the way I've cut this one. I've peeled the first one, so this is how it would look. I've peeled the first one. I hope it's clear. Yeah, I've peeled the first one, so I have the rest waiting for me to peel. Like this one, those ones need to be peeled, and this hard one, this one is going to be quite tricky because the design is more, how can I put it, it's just going to be tricky. Let me just say that. I can't find the word to say, but it's going to be tricky to peel all those small bits and pieces. Anyway, I'm cracking at it. Then after I'm done, I'll put my black on top of the blue and peel the rest, and I should have a pretty awesome design. Well, I'm so eyeballing this. I'm learning as I go, so hopefully all will turn out great. There's still some two there. Those ones, I think they'll stay blue, or if I don't like them too much, I'll turn them to black. But that's the design I've put so far. It's a tribal kind of design, and yeah, let me just see how it goes. A couple of friends have asked me, why do I have to mask the panels that I'm painting? And for one, so that I can have my straight lines. I'm sort of a perfectionist, and as you can see in this video, I'm taking quite some time just masking, and I've already fast forwarded the video. So having straight lines really matter, being that it shows the craftsmanship and the quality of the work that you're doing. And masking so I don't have overspray. And overspray is a pain really once it's gone on the area, especially if you're using a dark color like the black I'm using on the blue. Once it's there, it's a wrap. You have to go back sanding and respraying the blue again, and it might not match up to the first paint again, depending on how it cured. The other thing is, you have to be patient with these things. Lay your tape straight or well on the area that you're going to mask. Mask everything well, cover up all your panels well. Then when it comes to painting, lay your paint well too. So another question I was asked is, why 3 coats? First of all, I think if you're painting anything, especially if it's been sanded like the panels I'm doing here, or it's a new wall, to put a new color, you should put at least a minimum of 3 coats. Why? So that you can have smooth and even coverage of the paint on the wall or on the panel, especially on a sanded surface like this where I'm using a darker color. Darker colors are more difficult to work with than lighter colors because they leave patches or marks as they dry up. So you can see that on newly painted walls, if you put 1 or 2 coat and let it dry, you'll find some areas are too light and some areas are quite dark. So making sure that you have a third layer or a third coat on that will even out everything, and so that you'll have clean, smooth and even lines. Yeah. Turn signals are in. These LED turn signals, I don't know if you can see them clearly, but these are the rear ones with the red, these are the front ones with the white daylight running lights. So I'll do the wiring, put my turn signals in, then put back the body panels, and it's a wrap. I'm putting back the panels. We did the front fascia, we did our turn signals, the LED ones you can see over there. From that, you can imagine how nasty that looked and how sleek this other one looks. So we're putting back the panels, and to show you the back turn signals, see that? I'll show you in a bit how they look after I put everything together. But yeah, that's how we're doing. So this is what I meant with the turn signals. With my daylight running lights, then the sequential turn signals, yeah, you can see that. It's the same thing at the back, where if my lights are on, so my bro will do this for me, he'll help me. So just press the brake. How cool is that? Do it again. Amazing. And the turn signals come on when you indicate. The other side stays red while you're on the brakes, and when you release the brakes, they go off and the turn signal remains. That's mad. That's mad. It means the bikes look immensely. Yeah, I like that. Oh, the slow fast snail, or what should we call it? Fast snail? Whatever it is, you guys can put it down on the comment area so that I get to get a name for this. But that's That's my, I'll be having it on all my builds, motorcycle builds or car builds. Look at that finished product. Finished product. Sorry, my hands are shaking. I'm just using my phone, so I'll try my best to keep it as steady as possible. Awesome. So you guys can tell me what you think about it. The end product, that's Japanese, by the way. I've left a space for my bro. Whatever stickers he'll put there or on those other small areas, it's his. But that's it. Look at that. To match the bike. Treble as well. Not a different pattern than the one on the bike. But now, yeah, mad. that's really, it's quite something. I'm really glad it's come out quite well. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free. Smash that subscribe button.